My stepdad sold my dog while I was at camp and said she ran away. 10 years later I sold his truck for $200. Maple was a chocolate lab with one white sock. Gary hated that she was mine. He said he put up flyers. I checked every poll for 4 months. Not one staple hole. Last spring an old email loads the ad from the week I was gone. Chocolate lab, good with kids, $200. Forwarded to his poker buddy, don't tell her mother the price. I found the family who bought her. She lived to 14, spoiled rotten. So when Gary's Bronco hit that site, I bought it through a friend and mailed him the ad. Thanks for the truck. Sold it this morning. $200. Found it a farm home. She had one white sock, Gary. You never even mentioned it in the ad.